Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about the top 7 YouTube niche you should consider if you are planning to make money from your channel. So you need to understand that it's not just about making videos. YouTube is basically about making the right videos for the right audience and getting paid for the content you've made. So if you choose the right niche, you would actually enjoy YouTube. There will be motivation and you would be happy to keep creating content. But if you choose the wrong niche, I am sorry for you, because at the end of the day you get frustrated, you get bored, and you would eventually have to quit the channel. So guys, if your aim is to monetize your YouTube channel, monetize your videos and all, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch it from start to finish, and also recommend these videos to your friends that want to start a YouTube channel. Like this content, subscribe to this channel, and you would never regret ever doing so. Stay right there, I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So like I said earlier, these are the top 7 YouTube niches you should consider if you are planning to monetize your YouTube channel and make massive money from it this year. So the first one is personal finance and investing. This niche has high demand, has high earning potential, and it has high engagement rate, because engagement is the fuel that it actually drives the a YouTube channel. Because if you make a post and someone comments or likes, YouTube will actually recommend to other persons. So if you are thinking of something that will trigger engagement, then you should think of personal finance and investing. People are concerned about their finances. People think about it every day, and as such, if you are answering the questions on their mind, they will be forced to subscribe to your channel. They will be forced to come back to your videos, comment, share, and like. One thing you need to understand about YouTube is the fact that your niche determines how much you actually get paid. For example, if you run an entertainment channel and your friend runs a car channel, an entertainment channel has some videos. If you are based in Nigeria, you see videos like maybe like soap, like seasoning, and all sorts. That's why an entertainment channel. As such, you need lots of views to actually make good money from it. On the other hand, if you run a channel that talks about finance or cars or whatever it is, now the question is, how much do you think advertisers are paying for cars? To advertise cars or to advertise courses for finance and all sorts. So these are higher. They pay as high as $1,000, $2,000, whereas the organization advertising for seasoning or for soap actually pays let's say $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. So it all depends on how much you want to make, and you need to understand that these things affect your earnings. So the first one, like I said, is personal finance and investing. Now the second one is AI tools and automation. Now AI tools are, they are so rampant, and the whole world is driving towards AI. So you need to start showcasing AI efficiencies, AI tools, AI strategies, prompt strategies and all. So the more you make content about things that revolve around AI, the more views you get and the more your earnings will grow. So these things are things you need to understand that. Number one, if I'm not facing personal finance, then I should be doing AI tools. Now, when you do AI tools, you start seeing, trainings, softwares and all. They are advertising on your platform, and as such, they are bidding for your spaces, for your ad spaces, and you make a whole lot of money from all these things. Now, the next one is health and wellness. Now, people pay so much for health. People need health tips, but I will always advise that only go into health and wellness if you are in the medical field. If you understand health perfectly, unless you are going into the niche that talks about diet and all. But when it comes to recommending medications, then you should please understand that these things are meant for professionals, and as such, you would make a whole lot of money from that niche. The next one is tech reviews and tutorials. Now, when you go into tech reviews and tutorials, by the time you start reviewing mobile phones, reviewing apps, reviewing softwares, YouTube will pay you so high, because most organizations pay so much to advertise softwares, apps and all. And as such, tech is a very good market. So if you know what you are doing, focus on any of these areas and you will see your earnings spike. You start making decent amount of money every single day from your YouTube videos. Number 6 is gaming. The gaming community is so huge, it's massive, that there are lots of persons, in the gaming niche, and as such, your videos can attract lots of views, and from these views, you can make more than enough, to sustain yourself, to sustain your channel, and do whatever you want to do. So, if you are planning to start a YouTube channel, we think about the niche. What niche am I going into? Then think about strategies you want to build your community, then how many videos you can produce, and all. Now, the last one is digital marketing and SEO. They have always been a great challenge. There are a lot of persons that are searching for topics on digital marketing and SEO. Whether you have an organization, you are a content creator, you are a freelancer, whatsoever you do, as long as it has to do with internet, you will definitely need to search for topics around SEO, which is search engine optimization, or digital marketing. So everything you are doing revolves around marketing yourself digitally, and also ranking either on YouTube, Quora, whatever platform it is, even Google. As long as there is a demand for your videos, you will definitely make money. But lastly, I have mentioned the 7 niches you should go into, but this is a bonus. Guys, you need to understand that when you are starting a YouTube channel, nobody knows you. You are fresh, you are new on the block, and as such, you need to make videos that are competitive. You need to make videos that are catchy. You need to make videos that people actually want to watch. Also, you need to understand that when you're just starting, you need volume. So beyond quality, beyond the content type you are making, you need to make lots and lots of videos so that you can be seen. The algorithm can pick your videos and start sharing. Most of the superstars or the YouTubers you see out there, they didn't start and get popular in one day. They actually made hundreds of videos before actually getting traction. I have friends, I have colleagues that do 30 videos per day. Some do 40 videos per day. Yeah. And that is how they were able to break the algorithm and get into limelight. So guys, if you think you want to make money this year making YouTube videos, I would advise that you focus on one of the 7 niches I've mentioned. And number 2, create good content that people really want to watch or that you want to watch. And number 3, understand that you need to do lots of videos so that at the end of the day, you can break the algorithm and your videos can start bringing massive traffic. Imagine having 1,000 videos on your channel within the first 6 months. YouTube algorithm wouldn't have an option than to start recommending your videos massively. And as such, you get massive views and your earnings will increase. So if this is your first time watching our videos, please make sure to subscribe, share this link with your friends, and make sure you turn on the notification for the next video. Thank you very much. And like I said earlier, see you on the next video. Bye for now.